Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about UPS buying out ROADIE. Now, I think this is really big news, and I think it's really good news for the delivery industry because it is kind of diversifying the power of everything. When you think of the delivery industry, there's three major things that I think of, maybe even four. So there's food delivery, which is the obvious biggest one. There's people delivery, which is Uber and Lyft. There's grocery delivery, and then there's package delivery. And maybe there's one other one that I'm like, maybe it's mail delivery or something that hasn't really come out yet, but okay. So, and I guess Amazon, UPS, and them have already kind of taken over mail delivery. But anyway, so it's good in my opinion that ROADIE was bought out by a company that is not Doordash or Uber or something else like that. Because when there's two different kinds of companies. There's companies that are building to sell and building to last. And I actually just read both of those books, Built to Sell, Built to Last, because I am in the middle of trying to find investors for my footwear company, trying to make it look like it's as sellable as possible or as good to last as possible. Now, there's two different kinds of ways of creating a company. There's, if you're going to build to sell, you want to kind of have, let's say, a sequence of things that your company does. For example, this company in the book, they sold logos to companies for new sub-brands and stuff that companies would come out with. So what they would do is they'd have like a 5-step plan on this is how we create logos. Here you go, and anyone can do it, right? Before that, they were kind of doing logos and all kinds of marketing and stuff, and it's really hard to sell a company that's all over the place and doesn't have really like sequences on what they do, especially if a company totally specializes. When a company specializes, we're talking like Postmates, Grubhub, I guess, and Uber Eats, but not really because Uber's owned by, so it's basically like those two are focused specifically on delivering food, and ROADIE was specifically delivering on items and packages and stuff. I signed up for ROADIE. I got a bunch of offers. I actually never took one because I just didn't really, I don't know, it just didn't seem to make as much sense as just doing Doordash. I never saw any orders that paid as good or like was worth my time. But anyways, I think it's good that UPS bought them. So I'm going to talk about the two different companies, and like I think two different kinds of companies. I think companies like Doordash and maybe even Uber, because Uber is really diversifying, but especially Doordash is a company that is built to last. Now, they didn't just come into this and want to do like take over food category and then sell to Uber or something like that. They came into delivery, and what they wanted to do was take over all delivery. Now that's a company that is built to last. And the only company, in my opinion, that can really buy them out is Amazon. Like, who else is going to really buy out Doordash? They are by far the biggest one. And I think that Tony is a visionary, and he's trying to be the next Amazon. He's trying to compete with Jeff Bezos. Now, it's really good that like it's diversified now, and UPS is kind of coming into the game, and maybe UPS is totally going to own the package delivery, or at least, because UPS is obviously a company that was built to last. They've been around forever. They are doing really well. When you think about high service, like high-end package delivery, UPS is like the way to go, in my opinion. I personally mail packages for a living because my footwear company, and USPS is total garbage, but UPS, anytime you deliver with them, you know it's going to be high quality, but it costs more, way more. Anyways, so I think it's good that UPS is kind of up, like by doing this, they really upgraded the technology within the company, because now they have a tech app that is based around like technology, and there's so many benefits that they're going to get from owning ROADIE, in my opinion. Like, tons. And you know, it's kind of interesting that all these companies are putting out how much they bought this company for and all that. Like DoorDash buys this for $1 million or $1 billion, something like that. UPS kept it totally disclosed. They did not put out the number, and I think that's very professional on their part, but I actually don't understand the total meaning of why they want to say. Maybe ROADIE was just a cheap buy, because I don't think ROADIE was doing that good. Comment down below, let me know, did you guys do ROADIE? And if not, let me know which apps you guys do, all of them. Comment them down below so I can see what's popular amongst my audience. But I was like excited to do ROADIE, and then I just never like got an order that was really good. I actually am going to start doing Instacart. That's why I wanted to film this video right before I go into the gym, and my first Instacart video right after the gym. But anyway, so I just think it's very interesting that finally, well, I mean, another big company is stepping in, and who knows, UPS could, like, I think UPS has the infrastructure, like compared to Doordash, UPS's infrastructure in that company, they are built, like they're built to last, you know? Doordash, we're seeing all these problems, like they're getting like technical problems, their customer service is going down. UPS is around like the whole country, like they have offices everywhere. Everywhere. When you think of the infrastructure of the two companies, it's not even close. UPS is so much further ahead, and with a few other moves, I really think that UPS could come in and buy out like Grubhub or something, and they could really start taking over the delivery industry. Is UPS the next DoorDash or next Amazon? I don't know. What do you guys think down below? Do you guys think that UPS could really come in and, oh man, what if FedEx comes in and buys out Grubhub? It's just I think, in my opinion, Grubhub is a ticking time bomb. They're only going to last so long. They are not built to last. They're definitely built to sell, and their market share is going to go lower and lower and lower. And in my opinion, unless they make some serious changes, because they used to have 50% of the market share back in 2018, and now they're down to 16. So if they don't make some serious changes, they're just basically trying to get sold, right? They're probably going to get sold, in my opinion. I think it's going to be Uber Eats and DoorDash. And then if UPS buys out Grubhub, UPS could really become this huge powerhouse in delivery. And I don't know what that means for us, but it could mean like the first, like, well, they would already be employees for sure. I think UPS would go the employee route. I don't think they would, which is interesting to see what they do with ROADIE. Like, do they keep the drivers as independent contractors, or do they use their already gigantic force of drivers to deliver these packages? Who knows? Because there's so many people that work for UPS. I know a lot of people that work for UPS, and the end goal is to be a driver, because drivers get paid so much there, and there's all kinds of benefits and stuff. So I don't know, this is very interesting. It's a very interesting power move. It's like a gigantic game of Monopoly, and we're all kind of just watching. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed these kinds of updates. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. My birthday is tomorrow, so smash that like button for my birthday. My whole car is covered in sand, so I gotta go vacuum it right after the gym, because we went to the beach for my birthday. We went to St. Pete Treasure Island Beach. It was actually pretty nice. Anyways, enough about that. Subscribe, smash the like button for my birthday. It's tomorrow, October 9th. We will see you guys in the next one. And look, there's a freaking UPS truck right there. Wait. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.